So yeah, the downtown, the motorcycle, the downtown, the return to the Kimco, return to the Kimco office, and we're at ADB here. It is ADB. We putang ina, ang hirap. With the ADB motorcycle, we all together now. Again, all together now. This I'm Puok. This is Puok. I'm the truck behind. I'm following now. Following. Yeah. I behind the truck following. They pick up. Oh, pick up the multi-cab. No. Pick up. Oh, it's right. It's writing. It's basta yung lumiko ba. Now I'm the Pajero, no? The behind again, the Pajero, and there's a lot of the vehicles, the many vehicles, the many more vehicles in Pook right now, because today it's ano bang araw ngayon? Tuesday, yes, Tuesday. And yeah, because it's Tuesday, the many vehicles, they are basta yung the vehicles of the here the place, there are many more because it's Tuesday, and people they working, no? They working to the sometimes the city hall, the office, because there are the many there. Putang ina, ayoko na nga, mag-overtake na lang ako.